Hi, I'm Shelley Wood, and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a purse that will fit most 1/6 scale dolls like Skipper, Monster High, Barbie, Francie, Curvy Barbie, Cuckoo Harajuku, Momoko, Sunshine Family, Moana, and G.I. Joe. Hang on. Do you guys know what day it is? It's April Fool's Day. So now that we've had some fun, let's go to the tutorial, shall we? Today's purse project won't require a pattern, but you'll need to cut out a 3x3 inch square of fabric, which is about 7.6 centimeters by 7.6 centimeters in terms of metric measurements. I also used 11 inches or 28 centimeters of ribbon, but I did end up trimming some of that away. Now fold your square of fabric in half, keeping what we call right sides facing one another. Sew down the long side of the cut fabric from one end to the other, and this will create a sort of fabric tube. Flip your tube right side out like you see me doing in this video clip. Lay the ribbon down right in the middle of the fabric tube and sew it in place with a baste stitch on both sides. Now, you might not know what a baste stitch is. If you need help with that, I have a tutorial. Look in the description below this video on YouTube. It is okay to go through both layers of fabric when you do this. Fold the tube in half along the ribbon and sew the two halves together with a whip stitch along the side with the ribbon's cut end. Now the side of the square where my fingers are, that will remain open. At this stage, I like to measure the ribbon to see how it's going to fit on the doll. This is the stage where I trimmed any extra ribbon that I didn't need. Okay, pin the ribbon to the purse and sew it in place along both sides of the ribbon. That just makes it sturdier. Invert the whole purse. Now, I like to use a chopstick to help me with inverting, and you'll see me doing that in this clip. I'll kind of poke out the corners. It doesn't hurt to clip the corners too. Now you're ready to try the purse on a doll. For lots of free printable sewing patterns, for making doll clothes that will fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes. Yes, even this guy. Remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com. And happy April Fool's Day, everyone.